What's up guys, this is Devon with Repair My Funnel, and in this video I'm going to walk you guys through how you can add a tag to a contact inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. So let's head over to ClickFunnels, and what we're going to do is navigate to the top left hand corner where it says customers, and we're going to go down to contacts. You're going to find a contact that you want to actually add a tag to. We're going to add a tag to this test contact here. Now once you're inside the contact, what you'll actually want to do is you'll want to go ahead and click edit at the top left hand corner here. Once you do that, you're going to be presented with the contact details tab on the right hand side. You can scroll down until you see the tags option, and there's two things that you could do in this case. When I click in this box, any tag that I have already created, I could select any of them, or if I want to create a tag on the spot, I can type a tag in this box and select that tag for this contact. I'm going to create a random tag here right now just to show you. Alright, and once you've created that new tag, what you can just go ahead and do is select where it says add and then the name of your tag right there as well. So once we've successfully added the tags that we'd like to add to our contact, you'll scroll down to the very bottom and click the update contact option. Now once we've done this, the contact tag is successfully added to the account. There are two places where you'll actually be able to see it. The first place is inside that contact profile underneath the tags option. In this case, there are two tags added. If I click on it, it'll show me the two tags that have been added to this contact. Similarly, if we go back to the contacts tab here on the left, what we'll notice is the two tags will actually show underneath the tags option at the top, and if we click, they will show in the drop down as well. This concludes our training on showing you guys how to add a tag to a contact inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. If you find these trainings helpful, I highly encourage you to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video so you don't miss out on future updates from Repair My Funnel. We will see you guys on the next one.